Right, I've actually made an effort to set this up. So we'll start with, that goes in there, does it? Or is it that way? That way up. There we go. And that will need to go somewhere. That the sun gets to. So for now I'm just going to pop it there. That's not very good. Oh, that makes a funny noise. Right, and then I don't know a better way to put that on, actually. Not sure. Doesn't seem terribly secure, especially if it's going to have air going through it. I don't want to. Oh, there's a froggy over. Let's just. Oh, just see the frog. There. Right, let's get on with doing this tubing. Let's see if I can't use a key to make it a bit bigger. Oh, there's another one there. There. I suppose it's got to be tight to stop water getting into it, but then you've got to get it on in the first place. The motorway's over the back. Someone's mistaking us for the Isle of Man. TT races aren't here. Right. In you go. And then we want exactly the same length tubing. So both stones are at equal height. That's if the tubing doesn't fall off altogether. I don't know if it does fall off. If it does fall off, I should just have to do it again, but use some kind of glue. Right, then we have the stones. Now they've been soaking for 48 hours. There's one. There's the second one. they've got to go in. Can you see that? Yeah. At equal lengths. A frog paying absolutely no attention to me at all. Oh, look, we see the bubbles. So it works. Doesn't look brilliant. But yes, we've got bubbles. Now I think I've made the hole a bit too deep. And it's sunk right down. Is it supposed to go at the top or bottom? The buttons need to be at the bottom, I think, to protect from weather. Tighten that up. There we go. Both are working fine. So I don't want the tubing squashed. Got spare tubing anyway, in case I mess it up. How not to use secateurs. That little frog just paying no attention to me whatsoever. Let's not make that dirty. The frog is just not bothered by me at all. I said how not to use secateurs. I do not recommend this. We don't want anything heavy on that pipe because we don't want it crushed. I should have brought, perhaps I'll do that tomorrow, some sort of tubing in which to put it so that it doesn't get squashed. Make sure it doesn't go on the tube. Of course it's not catching any rays at the moment because it's evening, but the sun goes straight over the top of here during the day. Do with a prettier stone or something there. But for now, the important part was to actually get it up and running so we could get some bubbles in. There is a pretty cat stalking. Fox is there. I wonder if I could get it. Oh no, it's gone already. Right, I'm just going to sit here for a while and do a nature watch. Perhaps lower that a tiny bit. Oh, there's a little froggy coming up by the air tubes. Quite enjoying his sauna. Or a sauna, it's a jacuzzi, a bubble bath. There is on my pipe. Yeah, so not netting because they could get their feet caught and things in it, but some sort of green material just to wrap round. Yeah, stood on the pipe, or he, she, not sure which. Add ants to the menu. Let's lower it just a tad. Can we? There we go. No sun at the moment. Well, there is. But it's not on here because of the tree. But during the day, it does get full sun. Ooh. Well, that one's off for a wander. Stay away from the cats and the fox.